Offset alley is like taming a horse in a rodeo. If you rush it, you lose control. But if you slow it down, use your mirrors, and trust your reference points, the bus will go exactly where you want. So let me show you how to guide the bus step by step using your mirrors and your reference points so you stay aligned and in control the entire way. All right, so offset alley, flag tip to flag tip, 10 feet apart. There is a 2-minute time limit, and time begins once you enter the offset alley event. So as you see, this is going to be going to the left. So Doug is ensuring that the left side of his bus is 3 to 6 inches away from the flag tips with the left side of his bus. Just so you know, I'm going to be showing you different angles. So this is a slightly less than 6-minute video. So Doug is ensuring again that he is somewhere between 3 to 6 inches away from the flag tips on the left side, and he is only focusing on the left side flag tips right now. He is looking at his rear tire, which is his vehicle reference. He is looking at the end of the barrier there. Right before he gets to the end, he's going to start turning full lock left. His wheels will be full lock left by that point right there. He's then going to be looking through the windshield. He is going to be aiming the left front corner of the bus with the left side barrier. He's got to take it to that point right there. So if you start turning before you get there, there's a good possibility that you're going to be hitting some flag tips. You've got to take it to that point. Then you are still watching the left side flag tips, watching your left mirrors, the cross view, convex, and flat mirrors. Once you're sure that you can see all three of them, you're going to now watch the right side, and you're going to be turning to the right side. As you see, when you do it right, you don't even have to worry about your tail swing. This is still the same angle on the left side of the barriers, so you're going to see him entering the third set of barriers. And right now he is watching only the right side. Once he can see all three flag tips on the right side, he's going to straighten the bus out. All right, let's watch a different angle here. This is a different angle with the camera mounted to the cross view mirrors, just to show you that by the time he gets to the end with his left rear tire, by the time he gets to the end of the barrier, he will go full lock left. His wheels will be full lock left. Now he's watching the left side still. He's going to be watching the cross view mirror, convex mirror, flat mirror. Once he can see in the flat mirror all of the three flag tips and he knows he's not going to hit them, that's when he's going to focus on the right side. And I'll show you what he's looking for on the right side. He is now full lock right at this point, and again, like I mentioned earlier, he's got nothing to worry about when it comes to the tail swing. This is the view from the right side of the bus. If this kind of step-by-step training is helping, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss more videos where we break down the trust process: training, responsibility, understanding, safety, and technique. He is now going full lock right to miss the flag tips on the left side, and he is still focusing on the left side. Focusing on the left side, focusing on the left side. Once he sees all three, now he's focusing on the right side to make sure that he ends up back within 3 to 6 inches, on the right side. He's going to take the front right corner all the way to the end of the barrier where it is standing, and then he's going to be focusing on the right side. Look at those three flag tips. Once he sees those three flag tips, he's going to look over to the left, straighten out the bus, and exit. All right, this is what I wanted to show you. In order for you to make this correct, to make this work, you've got to take the left front corner all the way to the end of that barrier. If you're turning before, there's a good possibility, like I said, that you're going to be hitting some flag tips. So he's making sure that he stays close to the one that he sees closest to the bus, 3 inches away. This will show you that by the time he gets to that point there, he's going to start to straighten out the tires. By the time he gets to the end of the barrier, he's going to go full lock right. This is the look. As you see, he's coming close to the flag tips, but there's no way for him to hit it. This is a view from the right rear corner after entering the first set of stands. Right now he's watching the left side, making sure that he can see all 3 flag tips and he's clearing them. And then at this point here, right before the right rear tire vehicle reference gets to the entry of that stand, he's going to straighten the bus out. By the time he gets to the end, he is now full lock right. On this bus, this is a very good turning bus. He actually started turning to the left right before he got to the end, but he's still focusing on the right side flag tips, making sure that he stays as close as he can to them. Once he sees all 3 of them, he's going to straighten the bus out. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you being here. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming training content. And remember, stay consistent, keep your standards high, and trust the process. I will see you in the next video.